confirmation on how legal education or being legally ready to fight to say or to reach your goals is so powerful. More in a country where the constitution and the laws are respected, and where you can use the system as a tool to get what you want to get. You know, it is beautiful to see, as you mentioned, that you can utilize as a real tool, you know, the constitution, the system, the government, the people, to reach that goal. So that was really powerful for me, and as I said, I'm really glad to see that this is something that is possible, and I have experienced it for the last years in the United States, and that's why I can give you even more, a little bit like a testimony, more, not just like something that I would like to see. It's something that I have seen. In terms of, you know, the impact that created in me, I see it in different perspectives. You know, I'm seeing it now as a minority. That was empowering for me. I'm a Latino in the United States now, you know, working with the community and doing like this kind of community development. And that was, from that perspective, as a minority, that was powerful and empowering. From the perspective of a human rights investigator, what I was doing for many years gives me another perspective, you know, the legal one. It is like, okay, you can use the system, knowing and having the tools to navigate it to get where you want to get. And then, as I told you, as a human rights investigator, it gave me like hope, a lot of hope, that you can kind of, again, navigate it and get what you want to get. Then, in terms of if this is the same struggle that minorities are living, you know, like LGBT, you know, lesbians and gays and brown or colored people and all of these minorities, I would say it is the same, because it is human nature. The ones in power, the ones that have control over it, you know, they just need to keep it. So regardless of who's like fighting back, you know, to acquire their rights or become, you know, an empowered community, it's gonna be struggling with this. So I would say that it is the same struggle of power in whatever part of the world, and we are seeing it right now in the United States. You know, in conclusion, I would say I'm really glad that we had the opportunity to watch this video, because of many things. Because it was empowering. It confirmed that being here in this law school right now is a great opportunity for us, you know, coming from all over the world, and that the same struggles that we are facing, we are going to continue facing it. And it was great when Charles Hamilton said this, you know, that regardless of what we have gotten till now, we are going to continue with this. So this is not the end, it's part of the whole thing. And well, I'm glad to share this with you, and if you have questions, I'm ready to answer them.